We're here at Paige looking at some tree trimming. Coming through the driveway. It's our access point, right off to the left. He wants to clear some of these branches out going up so this tree can grow and get some sun, as well as this one here. So maybe just cutting a couple branches off. I think it's like 3 or 4. One and then a couple more up there. Just removing those. Coming around back. These 3 trees here, going to be doing a crown cleaning and possibly a crown thinning. There's a couple dead branches here that look like they're ready to fall in all 3 of these trees. He's just trimming that stuff and removing it. He also wants to open up for more sunlight in this area so his grass can grow. So yeah, just these 3 trees. One more section. Right over here you can see how the grass isn't growing. Once also the dead branches in these trees cleaned up and the middle opened up a little bit more, so the grass can get more sunlight here, especially getting rid of that low-hanging one there. But yeah, just kind of cleaning it up through here so that sunlight can get through and the grass can grow again. And that's pretty much it.